This girdle is killing me. It's taking my breath away. Anyways, this year my resolution was to lose weight. I'm gonna get on it. I just want to thank you guys for tuning in. I love you all. You guys are so great. Thank you guys for supporting me. Stay tuned for the next video. The next video will be with Mama Plus 5. I'll be doing a collab with her. And we will be doing a makeup look for her birthday. Yay! And then, of course, after that will be a Valentine's Day look. But, you guys, you have to tune in to that next video with Mama Plus 5. And yes, it's gonna be amazeballs. I did get a little dolled up for this video. Want to get this look, then please stay tuned to the end of the video, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay guys, so I'm going to be taking my MAC palette and I'm going in with this gold color, and just to let you guys know what the name of this color is, it is Gold Mine. And I'm just taking this fluffy angle brush and I'm going under my brow bone with this color. And I'm just going lightly in it. I'm not like pressing really hard, because if I did, it would mess things up.
And while I'm in there, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and blend it on out.
Okay guys, so I'm taking the NYX Professional Makeup Palette in Fire. I forgot what YouTuber this one was created by. And these are the colors here. And I also will be using my MAC palette in a fluffy brush. Now I'm going in with this deep burgundy color, and I'm taking this flat shader brush, and it's a pretty dense brush. So let's go ahead and pack this color on the lid. Pack that on, guys. Pack it on like Packy-O. Okay guys, so all I have to do now is spritz my face with a setting spray because I'm pretty much done at this point. I am all out of ideas of what else to do. So I'm thinking I should take my illuminating setting spray by Cover FX. I feel it's air. Like there's nothing there. But there's plenty in there. So yes, I hope you guys enjoy this look, this creation. Now I have to go do my hair, figure that out, cause right now, honey, I look like somebody's auntie. You know what I'm saying? So oh, as for the lips, I am going with this Maybelline. This is in the color Visionary. Guys, so I'm just braiding my hair to throw a wig on, you dig? Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I could add no more. No. So I chose this wig. I forgot what this brand wig is and who it's by. I just know that it is a synthetic wig and it's something I've had for a while. My outfit is not the ready to go, but this is the length of the hair and voila. But yeah, I tried to brush this hair out, but it just took away all of my curls and oh well. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I didn't do much talking like normal. Didn't do much talking. If you guys do like these videos, please give them a thumbs up. I really do appreciate when you guys view the videos and give them thumbs up. It lets me know that you guys enjoy the videos and keep doing better and keep pumping out more videos. Thanks guys.